Today, I would like to introduce 4 steps to think in Japanese. Thinking in Japanese means recognizing Japanese as it is in Japanese without translating into your native language. It's an essential step on the road to fluency. If you can do this, it means that your level of Japanese is very high. These are the 4 steps that can help you learn how to think in Japanese naturally. Number 1. Call the things around you in Japanese. Number 2. Do a lot of listening practice. Number 3. Read aloud. Number 4. Practice improvised monologues in Japanese. Number 1. Call the things around you in Japanese. It is to put into words in Japanese the things that are around in your daily lives. Do not be lax in thinking that you know simple and easy words like dogs and cats, inu neko. Knowing and being able to use are 2 very different things. For example, when someone points out and asks, "What's this?" you need to practice until the word that comes out immediately is home instead of book. This step also helps increase your vocabulary level. Number 2, do a lot of listening practice. If you're studying Japanese, you have probably already done a lot of listening practice. However, I want you to practice listening in a different way. Music. I want you to listen to Japanese as if it were music. I'm sure you have experienced that after listening to music, you cannot get the melody or lyrics out of your head. I want you to do a lot of listening until you get to that point. You can use listening materials in your textbooks, but I recommend watching your favorite anime, movies, or TV shows. And also, when watching, please use Japanese subtitles or no subtitles. It is important to input only Japanese into your brain as much as possible. Number 3, read aloud. Many of you know that reading aloud has many positive effects, such as improving your listening, reading, and pronunciation skills. From the perspective of being able to think in Japanese, what you should be conscious of is letting the Japanese language permeate your body. You should memorize grammar and rhythm of words with your body in reading aloud. And be conscious of memorizing Japanese with your body and letting it permeate your body. Please subscribe to this channel for many free reading and listening materials for various levels. We will be posting many more in the future, so please stay tuned. Having taken the 3 steps, you now have the foundation to start thinking in Japanese. Number 4, practice improvised monologues in Japanese. It can be an actual event or it can be fiction. Talk as if you are a native Japanese speaker. By talking to yourself as soon as the thought strikes you, you eliminate the chance of converting from your native language to Japanese. If it's still difficult, you can also write a rough script and practice it. However, don't memorize it. Try to improvise as much as possible. It is okay if the grammars and word usages are wrong. You can look up the parts you could not express well later to check them. In this way, while thinking in Japanese, you will improve your ability to express yourself and improve your speaking ability. By going through these 4 steps, you'll be able to think naturally in Japanese. As a Japanese person myself, I learned English as well following these 4 steps. And these are based on my experience actually. I am sure that they can apply to you who are learning Japanese as well. Of course, to think in Japanese, basic skills are necessary. However, during this process, these 4 steps, you'll have enough opportunity to learn Japanese by reading aloud or listening. Thank you for watching. Please practice the 4 steps to become able to think in Japanese starting now. And please don't forget to subscribe.